Hello everyone, today we will be trying Peeps. We have
Cotton
candy beans. We have Sunny D. Strawberry frosted Pop-Tart Peeps.
and Rice Krispie treat Peeps.
So we're gonna start with Sunny D. This is how the packaging looks. That's how the Peeps look. They're just orange.
Hey?
They smell like orange. It tastes like orange. That's what they taste like. Oh, not that bad tasting. Then we have the Rice Krispie Peeps. So now we have Rice Krispie Peeps.
I'm not excited for it.
They're like a tan kind of, a little squishy.
It's white. It's white and tan. It kind of smells like
It smells like a vanilla, like kind of like vanilla.
Okay.
Doesn't really have taste. Kind of just tastes like a marshmallow.
It's on the side.
Oh. And for me, I liked it. Then we have our strawberry Pop-Tart.
This one actually looks good.
This one smells like artificial strawberry. It is like a confetti kind of rainbow one with blue, yellow, orange, and red and green.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It looks like Fruit Pebble.
Tastes like strawberry.
I do not.
I don't think we like that one either. And then we have our cotton candy one, our last one.
Oh yes, I think I do.
Okay, there you go. Then for the cotton candy, it is a pink with blue.
It looks like sprinkles melted.
Mm-hmm.
Smells like cotton candy a little bit.
It smells fruity. It does not taste like cotton candy.
It tastes like a normal one.
Now, out of the 4, which one would you buy again?
Cotton candy. I just like it actually. No.
This one.
The
The
strawberry
artificial
Pop-Tart?
strawberry? Yeah.
Really?
I would get this one. It has a little cotton candy taste.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.